Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now by preparing the essentials: gloves, the correct replacement bulb, a T25 bit, and a small screwdriver. Once done, open the trunk and remove the rear access panel or fold the seat to access the tail lamp housing. You want clear room to work. Make sure to disconnect the battery negative terminal to prevent shorts while you handle the socket. Work deliberately. Organize screws and clips in order, so reassembly is straightforward and you won't drop anything into the body cavity. You now rotate the bulb socket counterclockwise and pull it straight out of the housing. This exposes the brake bulb. Remove the old bulb by pulling and inspect the socket for corrosion, green buildup, or melted plastic. Clean the contacts with a wire brush or replace the socket if damaged. Install the OEM-specified replacement bulb, seat it fully into the socket, and rotate to lock back into the housing. Good contact prevents flicker. Once you reconnect the battery temporarily, test the lamp before final reassembly. Finish by seating the socket into the housing, reinstalling the access panel or tail lamp assembly, and snugging screws. Don't over-tighten plastic fasteners. You should test the brake light now. Have a helper press the brake pedal or use a pedal depressor while you observe the lamp. You want a steady, bright output. If it fails, first check the related fuse, then measure socket voltage with a multimeter. Faulty ground or corroded contacts are the most common causes, and replacing the socket usually fixes intermittent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.